In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile hundreds of transactions in Xero. This is useful when you're dealing with a large number of transactions and want to reconcile them more efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. You'll now see a list of your connected bank accounts. Select the bank account containing the transactions you want to reconcile. Once you've opened the account, you'll see your transactions along with their current reconciliation status. Now, click on the Reconcile option to open the reconciliation screen. If you have a large number of transactions to process, click on Cache Coding. You'll now see your transactions in a structured list. On the left side, each transaction will have a checkbox. To select multiple transactions at once, click the checkbox at the top of the column. This will select all the transactions in the list. Once you've selected the transactions, look at the bottom of the screen and click Save and Reconcile Selected. Xero will process the selected transactions and mark them as reconciled. And that's it. You've successfully reconciled hundreds of transactions in Xero in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.